Where are you most
creating.
active right now? Give me the
Right
lay
now,
of the land.
I'm probably most active on Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else is in your repertoire, if anything?
Yeah, so I still do YouTube. I had a regimented YouTube schedule for 8 years. That is insane. It was 2 scripted videos a week plus 7 vlogs. So 9 videos a week. I did that for 8 years. I just stopped that at the top of this year because I was going crazy.
When did you announce it?
I announced it the top of this year, in January.
Like cold? You just
Well,
made a
I
video
took
and
a
said, "I'm
break
done"?
from social media, you know, the thing that we all do. I took a break from social media in November.
Okay.
Took a little bit of time to sit on my thoughts and feelings, and then in January I announced.
You know what's so funny? You just said something. You said, you know how we all do, and I never have. And then
Bless your soul.
but it's interesting. I literally, for the first time ever, came up with this idea. I've been debating. I'm shocked I'm saying this out loud because it's so early, and I don't tend to share my thoughts this early. But you've
This is the
inspired
effect I
me.
have on people.
You're
Yeah.
really inspiring me. I've been thinking about creating something called Disappearing December,
Ooh,
where I'm completely going to disappear for the whole month of December.
I love
no
that.
content.
I love that for you.
And I was like, huh. And then, you know, and where it went, it was like, you know, I may want to, yeah, everyone here is like, what the fuck? My whole team was like, are we fired? It's really interesting. There's something about Jan 1 that has always sat with me. December's interesting because, you know, there's some family time. I'm usually pissed about football. I always get a little inspired about my family. You know, I grew up in my dad's family liquor store, so the wine store's always got a little of my attention. Vayner's quite busy. I want to see people. Like, it's a very interesting, for all of us, it's an interesting month. And I was like, wow, like, you know, I wonder, you know, it's kind of like Movember, like the whole, like that whole thing. Like, I was like, huh, I wonder if I do this, wonder how many people will do it, wonder what that means. I do think humans take scheduling very serious. There's almost a part of me that believes that if people disappear in December, that their January and their New Year starts off better.
I completely agree.
So I'm debating it.
I am all in. Please let me know if this goes down because I will disappear in December as well.
See, this is what scares me about this is I really think it's smart, and I actually think it would be adopted at scale. And I think that now I'm questioning myself of like, is the only reason I want to do this because I think it's gonna become huge,
Right.
and I want to be like, I'm the fucker that created, you know, like I'm trying to like figure it out if I'm like doing it because I know it will work.
You're trying to see if your break from validation online will result in you being validated in another way.
It's actually more just, you know how I think about life? Like right before I die, I think when you're creative, and this took me a long time, I've only decided to accept like, oh, wait a minute, maybe I'm creative in the last couple of years because I'm always like, I'm a businessman. No, it's actually just because I like being associated with ideas.
That's great.
Like, I just like the idea. It's actually this simple. 9 years from now, going through the airport and hearing a mom and daughter walk in and be like, well, we've got Disappearing December coming up anyway. And so, and to think like, I fucking came up with that. As a matter of fact, I just realized what I'm doing now in the meta. I just put it out before somebody else stumbles on it. Now I've got this.
Boom.
Boom.
Put a trademark on it.
But by the way, honestly, without, you know, everyone's like trademark and all this stuff, I never do those things. This already feels good. Anyway, I'm sorry.